when we give reverence to Nut, we are doing the same to spell it so Mama. Because it replicates exactly what Nut does. Remember what Nut in this cat. Wamugela asale. And buba inhlanhla when you are conscious ukuthi sikuphi isikhathi manje ungaphili nje uthi hayi no sohlala naphambili consciously mele wazi ukuthi eliphi idlozi okumele ulikhothamele and just that gesture in you knowing, you being conscious, you gain favor. Ngoba unuthi uthi uyakhumbula ukuthi isikhathi sikababa babisa yonke ngoba ispend ayikho enye elandelale wasa isiqalo uasa meaning ukuthi unikezela kuasa ngokwemimoya bathi yini transformation angithi manje kusondela yingakho abeSuthu Suthu people are saying ukuthi the month yabo iqala ngalenyanga abekho wrong ngoba the nurturing energy that was in the northern hemisphere it begins this time shokuthi isiqalo sale energy the nurturing energy which was not available on the southern hemisphere iyaqala ngepithola so abukho umehluko singadideki sithi kanja no meaning ukuthi science in terms of our languages it has always been there because we're all conscious of the seven sisters. Remember ukuthi the seven sisters zimeleni ngesizulu sithi silimela maqhamuka zona siyazi isikhathi sokuthi sihlakule silungise umhlabathi so that when the rain comes ithola ukuthi sesihlakule. So these are all cosmic bodies that are affecting us but ikakhulu ile transition of the energy of the sun ukuthi manje from black, right? Why? Because it was in hibernation. It was colored black, that energy. It started being colored black moment. So now it transforms into a green energy. That's why we say ukuthi energy gasa umvuseleli because it brings ubuhlaza. This is when the return is evident. Uma umoya uthi it's a new cycle. Akumelanga kukhulume nje amagama. That's why following this season everything starts greening. Even namanje kunalo tshani lolu ncwaba lengathi carpet lapha on the floor. That's the indication. That's the indication ukuthi certainly the nurturing or energy of the sun is returning. What happens to us? Now we are following the very same thing. Because we are at that tail end. In our evolution, right? Meaning ukuthi nathi imizimba yethu uma unganotice from now on uzobona uqala ngathi uyaphila.
Awukhulu bengiziphile enyaweni. Bengiziphile enyaweni ntayibo kwenzakala nje.
The energy yes affect even though thina singekho aware. Everything that happens in the cosmos, in the universe, affects us because we are one with this nature. So, Tina, we are very, very, very much fortunate for us to be conscious, right? That's the most important thing. To be conscious, what time it is. Timing is everything.
Yes.
In our cycles of life, you've got to be timely about everything. And ezinye izinto, it might happen ukuthi ublockekile. Kanti awublockekanga. Umoya uyakudonsa. Uthi ayidluli. Isikhathi sayo sikafika. Do you understand? Izokhululeka ngesikhathi sakho. Kuthiwa those that are fortunate, which is why it's important for us as we are living to teach our children. To teach our children ngale season le ubumqoka bayo vis-a-vis our existence. What's going to happen? Kuyovalwa ngehlahla vele. Ngeke ngize ngikhushule nokhushula. That's the worst thing for an individual. Ukuthi ahambe emhlabeni angabi nefamily. Ezomkhuphula. Sibongela uMakhathini through family yakhe. And next week Friday uyakhushulwa ubaba. Into remember ngoba sonke we need to return to that pure state of our souls. When our souls entered, transformed, what is liquid and gas into this fleshy nuke, mzimba. This is what happens because imzimba yethu transforms, into this physicality. But Tina, the core, uthi uma kukhulunywa ngonote, yini lama the waters spiritual amniotic.
Yes.
Amniotic water. It's the very same thing they find a spiritual center of God. Meaning ukuthi yinto evela vele ngaphezulu. Bengeke ibe khona kini if ayikho above. So therefore, confirm. That's why sonke isikhathi njengoba sila eGK so that kungabi nenkinga. Inkinga yani in terms of ukuphila kwakho. Ungathandabuzi. Am I deserving? Ukuthi my heart must be the same as the Father. That's why we bother ourselves a lot. Because if we don't do that, there's a gap. Gap knows everything oyenzi. Umoya wakho ngeke utransforme. if ungahambanga ngendlela akuthiwa ukuthi be perfect, but zama ukuthi eliminate all the things that are going to block your spirit. Yonke into emelishelele, right? So therefore imisebenzi yethu yiyo lesiguidayo leya mural. It reminds us all the time. Ungakhohlwa. You must never forget, because every minute you are confronted with two, sex or him. It really depends who do you choose, right? It's a choice that you make. Sometimes you make the choice because of the demands of the physical body. Kwenza ama choices thola ukuthi manje sekekufaka enkingeni. Somebody said, oh, it was uBenduzi uBabuskaka uthi esikhathini esiningi it's better to starve with dignity than eating shame. Those are lessons thina esikhule sazi ukuthi they are important to us because they talk about the spirit. Zikhuluma ngomoya. They are not talking about your physical gain la emhlabeni. You can amass whatever wealth, whatever, and achieve so many things in terms of material possession. But are you free? Are you free? That's the thing. Umoya wako ukhululekile na. Then you sometimes wonder what is the rush for us to amass all this wealth. This is hey, who's she 100 million? Sure. Do you understand? And that was your main focus. If focus here, kumele create a resonance, create an harmony between what is above and what is below, right? Meaning ukuthi ibusiso zethu zizolethwa izenzo zethu ezinhle, not any other thing. So therefore kunemithetho nemigomo okumele siyilandele njengoba siphila. We read and internalize knowledge so that we become wiser. We are able to make a sound judgment. We are able throughout the whole day. When's the introspection? Maungaphili kanjalo uzozithola vele on the wrong side. Kumele wenze introspection all the time. During the day, ngikhulume kabi nobani. Ubani ngimenze kabi. So those are things ukuthi okhokho bethu, they were like that. That is why they were able to achieve all the greatness that they did, because of your consciousness. And they fear your moya, because umoya is sterile. Ayikho into ongayifihlela unuthi, because wena angithi umphathi uthini wenza ikhanda lakho uhlanganisa inyama yakho wenze every component of your body constructed phezulu, then you manifest here with a mandate. All of us. We don't manifest here just to go and enjoy beach. We manifest that because of a mandate. If violation comes when you are deprived of knowledge about yourself, that's where the violation happens. We are expecting that your parents are going to give you guidance that will maintain resonance and harmony within you. Yiyo le nkinga le esibhekene nayo kuthiwa sizalule esonini. Maungazi nobaba wakho angazi, what happens? Induku ishaya ba ishaya nobabili, ishaya ubaba ishaya ingane, ishaya mama ishaya ingane. Why? Because this is the fundamental principles and knowledge system that we're supposed to receive. Sikula in knowledge about ourselves, in knowledge about the universe, in knowledge about the cosmos, and how we connect to nature. We are supposed to be taught about nature. Remember, we're not masters in any other thing. They just mastered nature. That was their work. We need to be in alignment with nature. So, when I look at things, Africa needs its own new order. In totality. Because we can't move forward. They are committing a sin of violating the natural law. Ignorance. So it means all the nations of the continent, they need to be re-educated about the basic things of life. Nature. Instead of focusing on you. So that you're aware, because when you have that skill, there's no stopping you. There's no stopping you, and independence comes in that way. As an individual, I must be independent. I don't need other people. I need them, but I need to be independent and pursue my own vision. The assistance I will always get. And I must be able to assist other people as well. When I'm also prumile, so that everybody they find their center, so that there's contentment in the world. That is important because that is the knowledge as we absorb when we are engaged in this knowledge system, so that how many ancestors are imprisoned by our ignorance of ourselves and our ignorance of our history, of our past, and our originality. Mabuzo emphasize ukuthi mina nginyama ngiyoninya. Ngumoya mina who has outwardly expressed into this physical flesh. So this is the knowledge. Unuti afuna sijule kuyo. Unuti says julani ku nature. liberation is there. And nowhere else. Once you master nature and you understand yourself, how you connect with nature, oh, you're done. Abanye bantu, they see the easiness here then as something as a be. It's too easy to be true. All I have to do is to be conscious. Huh? All I have to do is to maintain the free flow. When I maintain the free flow, I become a magnet. Once in a skeleton, langa pagat, I block is in. Do you understand? So we now see the value of living according to the dictates of my art and the benefit of that. Asinto sikhuluma sihamba sigabisa ngayo thina singaba uma art whatever. Kepha our actions are opposite. Hey, which is why mawumuntu osuphila ngenature kumele ugade amagama akho, ugade nezenzo zakho. You can't ukuthi abantu bakuthole ukwesinye isimo ukuthi bo-preacher ngoma athi nje last week. Kepha izenzo zakho totally opposite. Meaning ukuthi i-value yempilo ukumamela umoya. Listen to Uma Art langapha. Uma Art is always talking to you. Uma Art is always guiding you. Sometimes ignore. Usole. Usole sedlulile. Khona into engangikhuza. But I never listened. So njengoba indlovukazi izala imimoya emisha that is going to occupy bodies la emhlabeni, sicela ukuthi indlovukazi isikhanyisele ngokuthi Africa angeke siye ndawo unless we create a new order for the continent. Kumele siphume completely, dislodge completely from the other side. Hayi ukuthi we are going to kill it and destroy it. No. Leave it there existing. It will die on its own. Yeah. Why? Because we no longer focus on that. Because it has been deceit all the time. Everything that we've learned among us. Hey, everything right from ever since these people took over. They turned everything upside down. They made you forget about the cause, but you focus on the effect. Master the effect. You can master the effect, but if you don't master the cause, you'll be in that vicious cycle. Why? Because you are not astute in terms of understanding the cause, the causal force. Here may you understand. Whereas ukuthi mengihlanganisa le element nale ngicreate orange. Ngihlanganisa le element nale ngicreate something else. That's the knowledge that is there. And remember ukuthi all these are frequencies. We are frequencies ourselves. We are electrical waves interacting with each other through what is called the torus field. The torus field here. Umzimba wangempela. Yes, umzimba womoya yiyo ke le torus field. And umaster wayo yonke lento umuntu ovula avale unuthi vala ukuthi ilanga ngithi kuna 2 or 5 minutes luna uyezwa nje kuyabhala. Remember the last time ikhona we experiencing that eclipse, we felt ukuthi the disappearance of the sun. That's why okhokho bethu they saw it as a bad omen, these eclipses, because nothing should obscure the light of the sun, because with the light of the sun we get energized, we become animate. So yizo-ke izinto sesibonge nje ikakhulu yikho yazi uBaba Credo is one of the people that will never die, because ney'ngane zethu uzokhuluma ngayo, because he shed the light. uBaba Credo uye who shed the light, wasifundisa ngesimoya scientifically, hayi lento yasendumbeni ukhuluma hayi angikhulumi ukuthi ekhaya kunami ukhuluma share, but sengikhuluma ukuthi scientifically si understand ukuthi kwayena umkhuluma share was born under a certain principle. So therefore when you understand that principle, you are understanding umkhuluma share. Hey, mengiphahla uJehudi wonke amadlozi engihlangane nawo aqhumeke o azalwa ngesikhathi kaJehudi athintekile. Hey, athintekile. That's a very scientific and astute way of understanding impilo. For me to be able to understand umuntu, I need to understand and study character yakhe, because the character yakhe uyithola kule principle azalwe kuyo. Ama actions are the season are going to be different from ama actions the following season. So imvelo nje natural, mina ngithi ayikho into edlula ubumnandi bokwazi. Once you know, you are enlightened. Shokuthi khona le Ouroboros, the snake that bites his tail. Sifike in that action now. Mina ukuthi manje umlomo wenyoka ula, umsila wale nyoka ufuna ukuyongena la, to complete the cycle, so that we start again in the next season. So into semqoka kakhulu ukuthi we must always be in alignment. Unuthi usifuna vele si aligned all the time. Uma sikhuluma ngayo unuthi sazi ukuthi sikhuluma ngedlozi elikhulu kunawo wonke. Ngoba meke emkhulu kunelanga, meke emkhulu kunenyanga, umkhulu kunawo wonke. Abantu kuzoba nalento yokuthi uNuthi, remember ukuthi the vastness kaNuthi akapheleli. When you look at the sky, Akukho la ufikela khona. Imboze yonke into. Right? Meaning ukuthi that is the vastness of his sphere of influence. Cannot. Nothing in this world is birth without the input. Cannot. Because unut unalama chemical okumele ahlangane for something to be birth. Mele kuhlangane leya element, kuhlangane leya element, kuhlangane na leya element, so that something is birth. So all the base material ila eswini sikanoti. So mina ngithi sinenhlanhla. Sinenhlanhla ukuthi saba no Babu Credo. Otherwise nathi ngabe siyahlahlana. Ngabe sehlathini. Uyazi manje we starve in dignity, but there's hope. I-hope esinayo asiyi-hope ukuthi sizoncedwa. I-hope ukuthi there is a brighter future. What is today has to end. It has to come to the very same period esikuyo manje. Meaning ukuthi yonke lento leya belungu, it's going to disappear. Buka ipolitiki ihlangane kanjani. Kunokuthi labantu they must resolve one issue ukuthi bahlangane. Bakhona bayi-2 asebeqala ama-political parties. It means ukuthi we are even more divided. The system iwile, it's weak. Yikho nje namanje abantu abaningi babuhlungu ngalento kaJacinta noPhakela Mthatha. You know, these people gave people hope. Because a solution yet within that unity. We still hope that somebody will emerge and replace these people if they are no longer trusted by the community. But the spirit of rising is forever there. The issues that are stumbled upon now, angeke siwa-ignore forever. Isikhathi phela, remember sikhulume nge-timing. Yabona lento, we never thought ukuthi umuntu omnyama can unite again. We never thought. Because it has been ages for black people to demonstrate that unity. Ngiyakhumbula yenzakale fast kanjani lento. Nenkululeko yethu izoza kanjani. Why? Because it is time. Nothing else. Isikhathi that dictates what is supposed to happen. Abantu who are delaying and blocking progress yethu, even spiritual, ilabantu abanamakhanda kakhulu, who are bent on maintaining the status quo. Kukhona abantu ababona the system esikuyo as the alpha and omega. A lot of these politicians don't believe ukuthi there is an alternative. And the alternative we call, the alternative has always been there. The alternative has always been given by Umon. But manje, in majority, the collective that is in power, asazi noma labantu kumosheke, that sometimes your DNA is corrupted. DNA yakho iba corrupted by your continuous doing something which is not supposed to be done. You end up being corrupted DNA yakho. Nawe sewungakwazi ukucabanga kahle. Ucabange nje as a black person. I mean, we can't be all over the continent, it's not only here. We are being sacrificed. We are being compromised by our own people. It's not like Kusuki China. That's those oppressors. Ushabalala decided ukuthi le mfene ngiyazintswenya. Nobody else. Manje bese ke kuba nembuzo ukuthi amadlozi ethu athini makwenzakala lokho bakuvumelani lokho kade ibaqikile lento kepha isikhathi cycle it has got to end. You remember the cycle cassette? The cycle cassette angithi has ended. We are now entering into Aquarius. Huh? The cycle yama-art injalo lento mkhehla. Thina nje all we need to do is forever to be forever ready. Kungathiwe manje makuthiwa tswe sesiqala phansi. Hey, wise people prepare before. Thina njengoba siphila ngalendlela, siphila ngalendlela ngoba we are living the future. The future lesiphila. So besisenza lo yelanga. Sisodwa. May 23. The whole nation is obeying. Tina said when we are facing east, Bona, they are somewhere else. A group that is going to welcome our ancestors as usual, as it was before we were colonized. Hey, Minunguti, Tina, we are living a parallel system. Yeah. This is a parallel system, guys. We are going to organize it through our markets and end of course, days we are into business. Who do we need? Messinama financial instruments. Who do we need? No. Kumanje. Huh? Kumanje nje. Uhulumeni uzodlala very, very little contribution in terms of truly enlightening abantu abamnyama. Why? Because they don't want enlightened people. They want to make us ignorant so that we make no demands. Yes, abantu aba ignorant, they don't question. Why? Because they don't know to even which is a question. So therefore, tinage sine watch late, sine calendar, sine need. Hey, konke lokho sikudingayo. Hey, Tina. Kuyofika isikhathi lapho khona we will be self-sufficient. Self-sufficient, why? Because we are now using the skill we have gained. Ukuthi sisondeze everything that we want. Hayi lento yethu. Sesisebenzisa iheka. Moving forward, you use the hacker. Ungalokhu usokolisa la uzibulalisa ngenhlupheko. Hey, sebenzisa le hacker le. Lungi lakho maybe kuzomela siqala ama class so that abantu batrain ingaphakathi la understand lento le ukuze ushape ibe with your needs. kumele wenze njani ngoba njengoba sifundisa kanje abantu bayizwa do you understand and kuba nzima uqala kuba nzima kanti it must be a continuous thing in that way so SAP once sizibeka at a certain level sonke in terms of spiritual astuteness ukuthi kumele ngenze njani ukuze ngidonse leyana you understand nama meditation akhona and asama meditation yabo ama meditation akhuphula umbilini so that usebenzisa umbilini to attract what you want kancane you build up now personally you must test yourself because that's not just niggas who notices to us through what is called by Byzantine quantum entanglement. Through that, see, a natural. We are connected to everything that is natural, except those things that are unnatural. Meaning, what I'm able to connect in end of God, spiritually and emotionally. In the Fugazi, I'm able ukuthi ngidetect ukuthi ekhaya kuye unjani umoya uyabuza ukuphendula this is what we need to get used to sis practice lezinto lezi practice all the time now uzitest mosekhaya cabanga umuntu uthumela imessage what respond lo muntu sharpen that omunye uyamamela uyareceiver ability yakhe ukureceiver uzwa into ase America listen just khuluma Megafona vele they are together. Do you understand? So all of us are given the material, but we need to discover them, and we need to use them. Yingakho a lot of people no longer believe in young. Ngoba uthi wena ukokuvula. Kepha uxhaphaza ama MPs lapha eParliament. Abantu abasenyameni completely. Manje singahlula abantu abasenyameni kanjani? Kunendawo la eAfrica ngeke udlalela ebantwini bakho.